transcending time and breaking technological barriers. Guangdong Mingmen Locks Industrial Company carries the mission of inheriting the development of China hardware door locks and pioneering smart door locks, focusing on high-end door locks for 25 years. To achieve breakthroughs, innovation is a must. Mingmen is committed to the path of intelligent manufacturing, pioneering the establishment of a smart factory and independently developing China's first automated production line for silent Mortise locks. This initiative has propelled the transformation of hardware manufacturing from manual to automated production. Mingmen possess 20 semi-automatic die casting and machining production lines, 30 fully automated polishing robot production lines, and 5 automated assembly lines for Mortise locks. After passing a comprehensive functional tests, products are labeled with a laser batch number to ensure production traceability. Coupled with the state-of-the-art MES production management system, the entire production process is monitored. In 2020, Mingmen led the way in comprehensively upgrading its smart lock production workshop towards Intelligent Manufacturing 3.0, focusing on automation, standardization, and informatization. Mingmen possesses a 2,600 square meter smart lock production workshop, featuring full coverage of anti-static epoxy floor, paint with industry-leading standards of a 300,000 level dust-free workshop. The workshop's constant temperature and humidity system provides an excellent storage and production environment for electronic products. Simultaneously, Mingmen has developed its automated production assembly line, complemented by an MES production management system. This advancement propels Mingmen's transition from manual to automated production and testing, achieving visualization and transparency in the production site. Mingmen has consistently upheld the pursuit of technological innovation to enhance brand competitiveness, continuously developing silent door locks, smart locks, and new hardware products. Mingmen received prestigious accolades such as the German Red Dot Award, the Consumer Preferred Brand, and other awards. Based on observations of people's daily lives, Mingmen recognized the impact of door opening and closing noise on individuals. In response to this, Mingmen introduced the silent door lock using patented damping technology, successfully reducing noise levels by 50%, breaking away from traditional hardware structures. Push-pull door opening delivers a superior quality of silent living. In 2005, Mingmen established the Quality Testing Center and acquired more than 60 high-precision testing equipment, including plating thickness testers, laser density testers, durability testing machines, handle opening durability testing machines, UV accelerated withering testing machines, temperature and humidity testing machines, and others. Coming with outstanding quality and advanced production capabilities, Mingmen creates world-class door lock products and a bright business collaboration blueprint.